Hello, so today we'll be assembling lag from IKEA. It's a coffee table. So previously we have assembled IKEA's handling bike. So today we'll start off with lag coffee table. Small thin one.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four legs are good. So it also has the instruction guide. So this coffee table. This is the main board. It is screw size. I hope so. Yes. All the screws we have. And don't throw up this. This is like some measuring stencil type. So you can just measure how much length to screw this. You can see this double-sided screws. Like some plastic foot type thing. You can put on the down of the legs. If you put it here, it just exactly comes at the center, so you need to mark it. Okay. So same. So two marking here, big screws right now. I'm taking 4. So you just have to insert inside the legs like this, right to the inside, so that it fits exactly into the hole. So our IKEA lag coffee table is ready. Let's turn it on. Do you like it, Dia?
Yes.
It's very strong.
Yes.
You want to lie down? You want to lie down?
Yes.
Let's lie down. So hope you enjoyed the video. We made the coffee table by ourselves. So hope you can make yourself with this small drill machine from IKEA and just make yourself comfortable. And until next video, you like the coffee table, Dia?
Yes.
Okay, until next video, bye bye.